In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up Emotiv Cortex. That's what's going to actually let you interface with the Emotiv software through external things such as Python or Node-RED. Future videos will go over some exciting examples using those applications, but first we're just going to set up Cortex. Now the first thing you're going to do, go to the Emotiv website and then Developers, Getting Started. Then you're going to create an account. I already have an account, so I'm just going to go to my profile, but if you don't have an account, just set one up. Now you're going to go to Cortex Apps. You can see I already have some apps set up, but I'm just going to make a new one to show you how to do it. So I'll say Cortex Demo App. And then I'm going to register for application. There is this box to click requires EEG access. Unless you really need the raw EEG, do not click this box. For now, most of the examples we use to create BC applications, we won't need to click this. So I'm just going to register my application. Now there'll be two key pieces of information you need. First is the client secret, which you see here. Make sure to copy this and save it somewhere safe. So I'm just going to copy it and then I would go and put it in a document or save it somewhere. And then you can see here my client ID. Those are the two key pieces of information you'll need for future videos. So when it says enter my client ID and client secret, this is where you get them.